everyone. Welcome to lesson 4 of YCT standard course. Today we continue learning about the family members. 谁住在你家? This means who lives in your family house. 谁住在你家? 谁住在你家? 我的父母，我的叔叔，我的奶奶，我的妹妹和我。This is an answer to the above question, and it means my parents, uncle, grandmother, younger sister, and me. 我的父母，我的叔叔，我的奶奶，我的妹妹和我。父母是 parents， 叔叔是 uncle， 奶奶是 grandmother， 妹妹是 younger sister. This is the end of today's lesson. Please remember to like, share, comment. Hit the subscribe and notification button. See you next time. Goodbye.